Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today we are going to discuss about Unified Payments Interface. It is a system that powers multiple bank accounts into a single mobile application. It also caters to the peer-to-peer collect request which can be scheduled and paid as per requirement and convenience. It was launched on 11th April 2016 by Dr. Raghuram Rajan. Now let us see some of the features of UPI. They are immediate money transfer through mobile device round the clock, single mobile application for accessing different bank accounts, two-factor authentication, virtual address of the customer for pull and push. That is, it provides for incremental security with the customer not required to enter the details such as card number, account number, IFSC code. Some other features are in-app payments, utility bill payments, also raising complaint from mobile app directly. Now let us see how is it beneficial for banks, merchants and end customers. The benefits for banks are single two-factor authentication, leveraging the existing infrastructure, safer, secured and innovative platform, and also it enables seamless merchant transactions. Now the benefits for end customers. They are round the clock availability, single application for accessing different bank accounts, using of virtual ID which is more secure and there is no scope for credential sharing, and single click authentication. Now the benefits for merchants are seamless fund collection from customers. There is no risk of storing customers' virtual address like in cards. They can also tap more and more customers who do not use credit or debit cards. It is also suitable for e-commerce and m-commerce transactions and in-app payments. Now let us discuss about UPI 2.0. It is an upgraded version of UPI launched by National Payment Corporation of India. Some of the key features of UPI 2.0 are 1. Linking of overdraft account, that is, in addition to the current account and savings account, customers can link their overdraft account to UPI. 2. One-time mandate, that is, customers can pre-authorize a transaction and can pay at a later date. 3. Invoice in the inbox, that is, it is designed for customers to check the invoice sent by the merchant prior to making payment. It will help customers to view and verify the credentials and can check whether it has come from the right merchant or not. 4. Signed intent and QR. This feature is designed for customers to check the authenticity of merchants while scanning QR. This provides an additional security. Now let us discuss a question based on this. Which of the following statements are correct about UPI 2.2? 1. It was launched by NPCI. 2. Customers can pre-authorize a transaction and can pay at a later date. 3. In addition to current and savings account, customers can link their overdraft account to UPI. As we discussed earlier, these three are correct. So the answer is D, all of the above. Thank you.